Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about Comedk fee structure for 2025 and I'm going to cover complete details about the fee structure, and this is based on the official release by Comedk authority right on 7th of June. So you can see it was released on Saturday late night, and you can see it's mentioned that centralized single window counseling for engineering and architecture courses, and based on the mandate given. So Comedk is conducted by authority called Karnataka Unaided Private Engineering College Association, right, which is called QPECA. So QPECA has this given this guidelines for the Comedk, that fee structure and the eligibility criteria are like this. So for eligibility criteria, passed in second PUC, 12th standard exam with English as one of the language. So all those students who have not taken English as a language will not be valid. English should be one of the language which is required for all the Comedk students in eligibility criteria. And second is minimum 45% of marks in aggregate with physics and mathematics as compulsory subject, and one of the other subjects out of chemistry, biotechnology, biology, electronics and computer science. So three subjects are like physics and maths are compulsory. Other subject is what you can choose, right? And it is for Karnataka based students. It is 40% for SC, ST and OBC category of Karnataka only, and similar eligibility is also given for the architecture student, and you can read it is in the bottom of the sheet here, right? Now second is that the architecture students also need to have attended the aptitude test done by NT or JE, which is or NATA, right, conducted by Council of Admission of Architecture. So those are the eligibility for and the above eligibility is also applicable for B plan and the BDES courses also. So that is the first page of the Comedk release. Now in the second page they talk about that there are two types of upper limit of tuition fees. So what here it is given is nothing but a tuition fees. So there are two type of tuition fees. Top colleges tuition fees will be 2,81,100, and the second tier of engineering colleges in Karnataka, the tuition fee will be 2 lakh rupees per year. Now you can see it is clearly mentioned the tuition fees. This is only tuition fees. Tuition fee along with the other fees will be collected by Comedk during the counseling. So I will talk about the other fees in later part of this video. There is a cap on the skill lab fees to be collected by individual colleges apart from the university fees. So that also I am going to show you. So the Comedk counseling is conducted based on the directions issued, and total fees what you are going to pay here is what I am going to show now. Enough, that is not enough. All the KSET and the Comedk colleges in Karnataka will charge you something called the skill lab fees. And again, depending on the type of or the quality of the college, they are free to charge 10,000, 15,000, 20, 25,000, right, in that slab. And it is compulsorily charged by all the colleges of Karnataka. So if you are studying in the best college, they will charge you 25,000. So over and about 2,81,000 which you saw there, you will pay another 25,000. And if it is not the top college, they will charge you 20,000 extra. If they are in the medium college level, they will charge you 10,000 to 15,000. Each college will charge you separately, differently. And in your mind, what is this skill lab fee charge for? They basically say they do hands-on training to emerging technologies, AI, ML, IoT, robotics, etc. to all, right? So there may be some students who are studying mechanical, they will also get trained on this. They're studying civil or any other subjects, industry certified lab sessions, everything is included, and they charge this separately for every student. It is compulsory, you cannot skip this. Based on your college level you will be charged. Apart from that, there will be other fees I have mentioned in the first sheet, right? So other fees are basically two types. One is the college fees. College fees is charged by the individual colleges, which include exam fees, library fees, sports fees, and miscellaneous small fees charged for many activities. So includes all of those, and it will be approximately 20,000 per year. Plus your all the colleges in Karnataka are part of VTU, Visual Technology University. So you will be also VTU will be also charging 11,000 rupees per year as a VTU charge for giving the examination dates and all other priorities, right? So these two are the additional 31,000 you will be charged. So if you want to know, if you are studying in the type 1 colleges, all the top colleges of Karnataka, at least top 30 to 40 to 50 colleges are going to charge this fee structure. So tuition fees 2,81,000, other fees which I have mentioned in the previous sheet is 20,000. This is college fees, right? And then the skill lab fees, this is the fees you are going to go give when you are inside the college. You don't need to give at the time of counseling. At the time of counseling you have to pay only 2,81,000 plus 20,000, which is approximately 3 lakh rupees you have to pay at the time of counseling. uh, to be paid in the college is the skill lab fees. And during your academic year, there will be a VT university fees of 11,000 approximately, which will be charged to all the students, irrespective of its KSET, Comedk, or they are coming from management quota. This 11,000 will be charged later. So basically, if you see overall, it will be like 3,37,000 for type 1 students. Now let me talk about the type 2 colleges, which are not the top colleges, which are mostly the average college, and they are ready to take less fees because they don't want to miss the Comedk students, and they want to fill their seats. So if you see, tuition fees for this category of college will be like 2 lakh rupees per year. Other fees will be like 20,000. So during the counseling you will have to pay 2 lakh plus 20,000, which is 2 lakh 20,000. And then once you are in the college, they will charge you skill lab fees. They may not charge you 25,000 rupees, but they may charge you lesser amount, 20,000, so that you take admission and you don't miss it. So total will be like 2 lakh 40,000. And then once you are in the college, there will be VT university fees which will be charged during mid of the year, and 11,000 you have to pay approximately. So total fees for this type of type 2 college students will be 2,51,000. So those are the two slabs for this year and the total fees what you can expect in this year. So that's our over update for the fee structure for 25 batch. And thanks for watching. Please to subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.